Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to write revision of flower names. Take out your EVS notebook. In our last video, we have written marigold and mogra. Now turn the page. Today we will write here. Today we will write revision of flower names. Now we will start our work. Students, whenever you will write this work, you have to write the date. आपको date red line को touch कर लिखनी है. Now we will keep 3 finger space from the margin line and then we will write capital F. Then we will write small l, small o, small w, small e, small r, small s. F L O W E R S flowers. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें ये जो रेड लाइन है उसको टच करके लिखना है. नाउ वी विल राइट द नेम्स. तो हमें ये जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. नाउ वी विल राइट नंबर 1 बिटवीन 2 ब्लू लाइन्स लाइक दिस. वी विल राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रोज. सो वी विल राइट कैपिटल R, small o, small s, small e, R-O-S-E, rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Now we will write number 2 in the next line. We will write between 2 blue lines और number 1 के नीचे हम number 2 लिखेंगे. We will write jasmine. तो कैपिटल J लिखेंगे रेड लाइन से ब्लू लाइन तक ऐसे. देन स्मॉल a, स्मॉल s, बिटवीन 2 ब्लू लाइन, स्मॉल m, स्मॉल I लाइक दिस, स्मॉल n, स्मॉल e, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Now we will write number 3 in the next line between 2 blue lines like this. We will write the spelling of sunflower. So we will write after the margin line capital S from red line till blue line, then small u, small n, small f, small l, small o, small w, small e, small r, sunflower, sunflower. Now we will write number 4 in the next line. Between 2 blue lines, we will write lotus. So we will write capital L, red line से blue line तक, then small o, between 2 blue lines, small t, like this, red line से blue line तक, then small u, between 2 blue lines, then small s, L-O-T-U-S, lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Now we will write number 5 in the next line. We will write the spelling of daisy. We will write capital D, red line से blue line तक, small a, small I, small s, small y, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Now we will write number 6. In the next line, we will write the spelling of lily. We will write capital L, small I, small l, small y, Lily, 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 lily. Now we will write the next spelling. We will write number 7 between two blue lines. We will write marigold. We will write capital M from the margin line. Small a, then small r, small I, small g, small o, small l, small d, marigold, marigold. Now we will write the next spelling. We will write number 8 between two blue lines. We will write mogra. We will write capital M, small o, small g, small r, small a, mogra, mogra. Students, in this way we have to write the revision, write spellings neatly and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.